Cumulus is a development of 59 luxury grand villas on a high ridge in Carrara on the Gold Coast, with views over the hinterland or to the Broadbeach skyline, which is only 8 minutes away by car. The entirety of the site is over 27 hectares, of which only some 3 hectares is developed. The remainder is being regenerated with walking tracks through native vegetation through our residents. The development also has a massive recreation area, including a 20-metre pool with barbecue and leisure facilities. Civil construction is now complete with all roads and services in. With experienced builder Devcon on site, construction of the houses has commenced.
Devcon Property Group is extremely excited to be appointed the builder of the Cumulus project in Carrara. This project is extremely unique with its bespoke design elements, complemented by its integration into the natural form. When Cumulus was first introduced to Devcon, we were very excited to be a part of it. It was a very unique project and it was something that we wanted to make sure that we were a part of the delivery. We could see the Gold Coast needing something like this project and we were also pushing strong into that region, so it was well suited. This development is one that you can see they've tried to look at the livability and the sustainability of the project. The view of this project is unbelievable. You've got the views of the Gold Coast skyline and you've also got views out to the hinterland as well. But again, just in the front of the project as well, you've got all natural bushland and nature right at your doorstep. Even entering into the project itself, you can see that it's a pleasant drive in and you're not disappointed when you reach the project. So currently, all civil works have been delivered to Devcon. Devcon is commencing site mobilisation. First stage of the project is forecast to complete August 2026, with the remainder of the project being delivered in May and July 2027 respectively.
Our prices range between $1.5 to just over $2 million, and with revenues averaging about $7,200 a metre, they're only half of new non-beachfront apartments and a quarter of equivalently sized beachfront apartments. In other words, there's much more room for further revenue growth. Our first mortgage funder, JVL, has high confidence in the product and market, and we are not required to make pre-sales as a condition of the funding. Nevertheless, we do already have 3 contracts. In this project, it's VentureCrowd's profit that is at first risk. Gross profit on current revenues post-debt is forecast at a little over $15 million. All major costs, including the build, are locked in, and we will look to take advantage of expected revenue rises during construction, like our other projects such as Glenvale, where we've been able to push prices up by over 30% in 18 months, and our Albany Creek townhomes by over 16%, or over $150,000 per 3-bed townhouse in an even shorter time frame. From an investment perspective, this equity fund for the project closed oversubscribed in just a few weeks. The first mortgage construction funding is also in place until the end of the project. The fund we're raising for now will provide mezzanine debt in the project secured by a second mortgage over the property, targeting a return of 20% per annum, with repayments expected to commence some 15 months from investment from the balance proceeds of Stage 1 sales revenue. We'll be releasing the fund for investment in tranches with a first tranche of $3 million and a minimum investment of $10,000. The fund is the final opportunity for investors to have exposure to the project. If you'd like more information on the project or in the fund, you can use this QR code you see on the screen to register your interest, and one of the team will be in touch.